Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to log in into Google Analytics. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to analytics.google.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now, when you're here guys, all you need to do is go and firstly create an account so that you can get to log in. Click on Start Measuring. And then guys, here you need to put, as you can see, have 5 steps. So first you have to create your account. So if you have to make a name for your account, so you can put your name or whatever, and then click next. Now you have to create a property. So you have to create a property. So basically you can put a property name, or say what it is, the currency, and click again next. Let's put the business details, and then again click next, and then choose the business objective. So basically what your objective of your business is. And now click on create. And here guys, you can go of course agree and click I accept. And here we have the data collection. You can go and skip that for now. And you just click continue to home. And voila, here you have your account that you got logged into immediately. So basically you can save your email here or save all unchecked stuff, whatever you want. So you can choose about those things. And here you have your account that you just logged into. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you on the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.